Hello children, we have already recited the poem The Ice Cream Man. Today we'll continue with some of its exercise questions. So let's begin. Report writing. This is a very new topic for all of you. Today, first of all, you will understand what is report and then you will learn how to write a report. Let's begin. A report is written on account of something that one has observed, heard, or done. It is systematic presentation of facts and events that occurred. For example, you attended a birthday party and you have to write a report on that event. Then you will write all of the things that happened there with you or all of the things that you observed happening around you in a systematic order. Things to remember while writing a report. So, these are certain points that you should take care of while writing a report. First of all, give it a good title. Your report should have a good title which is accurate to the description. Stick to your subject, and whatever your subject is, whatever your title is, you should stick to that. You should explain about that only. You should not divert from your topic while writing a report. Write things in correct order. While writing a report, just remember the order in which all the events happened and describe them in the same order. Write neatly. So let's begin with one example. This is an example of report writing on visit to Uncle Lal's farm. There is a boy and he visited his uncle's farm. My father took me to visit Uncle Lal's dairy farm. I saw all of Uncle Lal's cows. He has 50 cows. So these are the things that he observed in his Uncle Lal's farm. There were so many cows. He saw all the cows and he counted that Uncle Lal has 50 cows. Then they eat grass in big green farms. He observed that all the cows, they eat green grass from the big green farms. In the evening, the farmers bring them to the barn to be milked. Uncle Lal sells his milk in the city. So all of these things were observed by this boy, and while writing a report, first of all you will write its title. So now our title is Visit to Uncle Lal's Farm. This is our title. And as we discussed earlier, all the events in the correct order, we will write them in the same order here, in the form of a paragraph. So all those events are written here systematically. So our report on visit to Uncle Lal's farm is ready. My father took me to visit Uncle Lal's dairy farm. I saw all of Uncle Lal's cows. He has 50 cows. They eat grass in big green farms. In the evening, the farmers bring them to the barn to be milked. Uncle Lal sells his milk in the city. In the similar way, you can write report on any of your visit to any place. जिस तरह से हमने यहाँ रिपोर्ट राइटिंग लिखी है, इसी तरह आप किसी भी अपने विजिट को याद करके उसके बारे में एक रिपोर्ट लिख सकते हैं. सबसे पहले आपको एक उसके लिए टॉपिक डिसाइड करना है जो उसकी हेडिंग होगी, और उसके बाद आप याद कीजिए कि क्या क्या हुआ था, किस ऑर्डर में, पहले क्या हुआ, उसके बाद क्या हुआ, उसके बाद क्या हुआ, और उसी चीज़ को आप एक पैराग्राफ के फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं. तो आपकी रिपोर्ट राइटिंग रेडी हो जाएगी. Now, this is your homework. You have to write a report on ice cream in your surroundings. So, which things you will keep in mind while writing a report on ice creams? Start with a short introduction which contains the topic. First of all, you will write a topic. Then list the ice cream brands available in your area. फिर आप लिखिए कि आपके एरिया में कौन कौन से आइसक्रीम ब्रांड्स के आउटलेट्स हैं या कार्ट्स हैं. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट से विच आर द कॉमन फ्लेवर्स ऑफ आइसक्रीम इन ईच ऑफ द ब्रांड्स. फिर आप देखिए कि हर एक ब्रांड में कौन से फ्लेवर्स हैं जो कॉमन हैं, जो सबके पास है. अंडर ईच ब्रांड फाइंड आउट विच फ्लेवर्स आर बीइंग सोल्ड द मोस्ट. ऑल्सो फाइंड आउट देयर प्राइजेज. फिर हर एक ब्रांड में आप ये पता कीजिए कि कौन सा फ्लेवर है जिसकी सेल सबसे ज़्यादा हो सकती है. तो आप इसका पता कैसे लगा सकते हैं? जब आप आइसक्रीम लेने जाते हैं, मान लीजिए आप मदर डेयरी के कार्ट पे गए आइसक्रीम लेने, तो आप उसके जो शॉपकीपर है या उसका जो कार्ट ओनर है, आप उससे पूछ सकते हैं आइसक्रीम मैन से कि आप कौन सा फ्लेवर दिन में सबसे ज़्यादा बेचते हैं. तो आपको वहाँ से पता चल जाएगा कि कौन से फ्लेवर्स बहुत ज़्यादा पॉपुलर हैं और उसका प्राइस पता कीजिए. फाइनली राइट विच डू यू थिंक इज़ द मोस्ट पॉपुलर आइसक्रीम. तो इस तरह आइसक्रीम वाले से बात करके आपको पता चलेगा कि सबसे ज़्यादा पॉपुलर कौन सी आइसक्रीम है. तो ये रिपोर्ट आपको खुद लिखनी है अबाउट द आइसक्रीम इन योर एरिया. नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, that is describing words. What do the following words describe in the poem? So here we are having some words from the poem and you have to tell me what thing do they describe. Joyful. Try to remember what is joyful in the poem. Joyful sight. Which sight can you remember? The sight of ice cream man filling the cones with cooling brown and white, that is ice creams. Little. Little is ice cream cart. Round. Round umbrella. Round umbrella of the ice cream cart. Now next question. What are the describing words used for the following in the poem? You have to tell me the describing words used for these words. Mounts. Remember the describing word for mount? It was cooling brown and white. The mounts of cooling brown and white. Next, flavor. What flavor are we talking about? Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry. Next, cluster. Cluster was thick as honeybees. So thick is the describing word for cluster. And vanilla, chocolate, strawberry are the describing words for the flavors. Now your homework is draw and color your dream ice cream. Describe it using interesting describing words like the colors, the flavors, the size, how it looks, it tastes, it feels. So you have to draw a dream ice cream and then you will describe it using different words. Your dream ice cream may look like any of these ice creams or may be different from these. So enjoy the ice creams in this summer and enjoy reciting this poem. Thank you.